gagawin natin sa car? Kasi
Oh.
baka mag-spill yung milk ni baby eh.
Dami pa kasing pinapagawa ni Boss eh. Hindi ko pa masingit sa schedule ko yun eh. Sige, gawa ko paraan.
If you're busy, hindi ka makapunta, makadrop by sa mga may work, we can go to your place na rin to offer our services na rin. So, schedule right now for an appointment with us.
Hi Sir Renz, good afternoon. I'm Miss Jack from MD Square.
Hello, pasok ka.
Thank you. So sir, for Montero 2020, then this is Japan leather. So matte finish yan sir and closest to genuine look. Ayan, so makita mo naman yung texture.
Ito yung maganda eh. Di gusto mo tingnan natin yung sa kotse nila.
Sure sir, sige pa. So yan sir, maganda yung upuan nyo sir since ang interior nyo is gray tapos merong black.